identify only the highest quality ice cubes. First of all, Claire will hold her ice up high.
As high as you can.
And she will check for clarity. Are there any flaws in my ice cubes? No? Okay, we'll continue. So using her hand, she's going to waft the ice. And she's going to try and detect whether any chemicals involved in the making of my ice cubes. Nope. Then we'll continue. She will take an ice cube and she will put it in her mouth, spit it out, and see if there is any lingering notes. I think Matt has a couple more he's going to add to this.
Yeah, what she's forgotten is the other thing that Claire assesses is the meltability of the ice. How long does it stay frozen? This is very important.
I hope I get a rebuttal on this.
Cube size is also important.
Do we have standard cubes? Yes? Then we'll continue.
So, Claire, come forward. Here we have 4 selections of ice.
This is going to become a fraud.
The goal is for Claire to recognise the sought-after Eastern ice. So, sample 1, Claire, is this Eastern ice?
This is all lumped together. You can't break it apart, which means it's from the cooler out back of the
One for one. Sample 2.
Weak ice machine, custom manufacturing. I'm thinking it's from behind the bar.
Good call! This one's going to test up.
That is a new ice machine.
Hold on, we just show the audience a sample here. This is said ice, yeah.
This might be from Wendy and Matt's house. Or it's Easton Ice.
We've got to make a decision.
Wendy and Matt's house.
Whoa! So sample 4 by default.
I'd like to think this is Eastern Ice.
Where's Eastern Ice?
When you get Eastern Ice when you sail out of the Northeast River. Pretty much any place other than the Northeast River Yacht Club, when you go to an ice machine on the bay, on the Eastern Shore, you get Eastern Ice. Is that right? Was it Eastern? Don't settle for less.
Right, she got identified this one. And indeed, I don't think she said narrative, but she said something about the cooler out back.
No, from the bar, she was right. No, nice. 100% respect, Claire. But don't take it away because there's a couple of other skills that are important.
Just on the ice situation. It's not only the ice, it's the amount of ice. So, those of you, this will change for me because apparently when you get a slip and we got things in, maybe we'll get a refrigerator. I don't know what that's like. We actually have a hole in the boat, inside the boat, that you put your stuff in and you pour ice on top of it. And that's how we refrigerate our food on the boat. And we go off for 2 weeks. So ice is pretty critical. It's a pretty, so, it's pretty important. So, and as my poor husband will attest to, I like a certain amount of ice in my cocktails. And I like my food to be kept fresh. So I'm going to do a commercial for Eastern Ice. And if I was brave enough to let Susan Andrews do the commercial, I would. But I'm not asking her to do that
Sweaty ice.
So without doubt, I think Claire remains the uncontested expert ice cream of the entire Chesapeake Bay. Definitely.
Thank you. Just one other little skill that is important, and actually the announcement tonight of a slip makes this skill even more important. Not tying.
Okay, so the white one, this is going for a clove hitch.
I had nothing to do.
And the blue one, a bowling. And you know what, Claire? If you have the red and the white, you could join them together. And what was it again? A sheep bend. But I think I'm getting a noise from our producer over here saying, hey, cut it off, you're going too long. So Claire, we'll save it for opening day.